What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here. Today we're going to show you how to replace a rear wheel stud. We're going to get this wheel stud replaced. It's all stripped out. It's simpler than you may think, so let's get it done. Now we're going to zip off the remaining 4 lug nuts. And we'll take the tire off. Alright, so as you can see, the stud is pretty chewed up here. So we'll go ahead and get this off. First we're going to need to remove this brake though. We'll remove the whole caliper and bracket off in one assembly. There's 2 18mm bolts on the back, so let's get that done. Now this is where a ratcheting wrench would come in handy. But I don't have one in 18mm. Slide your brake caliper off and just rest it up here somewhere where it sits nice. That way it's not going to fall and there's no tension on your brake line. Just take off your rotor here. Maybe a little stuck on. You may have to wiggle it back and forth, but it should come off. If you have to, hit here with a hammer, free it up a little. It's coming. Now you can see behind here that this is pressed in flat. That's exactly how you want to press in the new one. So just take note of that, because if not, it's going to hit your ABS sensor and your Jeep won't like you very much. So now we're just going to literally take a hammer and pound it out. Make sure you hit it dead on and it'll pound right out. Like that, the old one's out. And this is the wheel stud I got. It's a Dorman wheel stud. It is half 20 thread. Any parts store should know what you're looking for, but comes in a little package like this. Let's get it installed. What you're gonna do is fish it in behind here. Through the hole here. And what we're going to do is put a couple washers or an old bolt on here and then a lug nut, and we'll pull it through and get it tight. So the setup here, make sure this doesn't fall back through, is I got a old nut. It's big enough to fit over but not touch the threads of the stud. And then we're going to screw on a lug nut. Get it hand tight here. And grab our socket here and we'll pull it in. So just another quick close-up. That's what it should look like when it's fully seated. There should be nothing sticking out. It should be flat. Now that that's mounted, we'll get the wheel and tire back on. And you'll be good to go. So once you pull the stud through, you can go ahead and put your brake rotor back on, put your caliper back on with those 2 18mm bolts, tighten them up, and then we put the tire back on and we should be all set to go. And Mr. Matt here is putting it on. He's a professional tire putter honorer.
Yeah, just roll it up on your thigh.
Yeah, don't strip out the new stud. I was editing the video and I realized I didn't make an outro to the video, so here it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions on installing a wheel stud, hit me up in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. It's a real simple job and you can do it. Minimal tools. So as always guys, stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.